How to block or unblock access to adult websites on iPhone. So if you want to block or unblock adult websites access on your iPhone, then first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with screen time. Under screen time, you need to go with content privacy and restrictions, and here make sure that you turn on your content privacy and restrictions. After turning this on, you'll have App Store, Media, Web and Games. You need to click on it, and here you will have web content. Tap on web content, and if it says unrestricted, then you can go with limit adult websites, and this will block the website. So you need to go with add website, which is on the bottom, in order to allow the website, and go with add website, which is on the bottom, or the second one, to never allow any website. So you can add those websites if you want to allow or if you want to never allow, and in this way you'll be able to block the websites. Or if you want to unblock, then you just need to simply go with unrestricted, and you'll unblock access to adult websites. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.